Good evening all of you. Now today we will start phenol. Now first of all, what is the physical appearance of phenol? We will start the topic phenol. What is the physical appearance of phenol? You can see in this picture, this is the white crystalline form and this is our phenol. Now first we will learn what is the preparation of phenol, how to prepare the phenol and what is the reaction of phenol. Okay. Now first of all, what is the preparation of phenol? Suppose phenol is a superhero, then what is the name of that phenol? If phenol is superhero inspired by the phenomancer, just for a fun, using AI tool I created this. Now this is the most important reaction, the industrial preparation of phenol. How phenol is prepared in the industry, it is very important. Now what happens when this cumene means isopropyl benzene, when it react with O2 sunlight at temperature approximately 100 to 135 degrees centigrade, then there is a hydrolysis at 50 to 90 degrees centigrade, then we obtain phenol and acetone. Acetone is used as a side product. Means phenol react with O2 sunlight, then hydrolysis we get phenol and acetone. And acetone is a side product, is also very well known commercial use. Now what is the use of acetone? Acetone is used as a solvent and also used as a nail polish remover. You can see in this picture, that particular picture, the female is scrubbing, removing that nail polish, and she might be changing color of her nail polish. Now why it is very famous? This is famous because in this reaction, inexpensive reactant convert into expensive product. Now why it is inexpensive? Because the cumene is not very expensive and you can O2 sunlight hydrolysis. This is not a expensive, it is a inexpensive and convert into expensive product, and side product is also of commercial use. Now you can see in this picture that 1 rupee coin is converted into a 500 rupees. This means it is a commercial use. 1 rupee is investment cost and converting into 500 notes. This means it is very useful for commercial. So this is the industrial preparation of phenol. Okay. Now there is a small trick. What is the trick? Cumene plus oxygen. When cumene react with oxygen, what is the product? Cumene hydrogen peroxide. When this cumene hydrogen peroxide undergo hydrolysis, it gives phenol and acetone. Means when cumene and oxygen react, it gives cumene hydrogen peroxide. And after hydrolysis, it gives phenol and acetone. Captain Organic call hero for power action. Or you can simply remember co-catch-pa. Okay. You can also remember in this way, this is cumene. When passes through 135 degree centigrade temperature, then there is a hydrolysis. What are the products? Phenol and acetone. Got it? So this is the important reaction for preparation of phenol. You have to remember from cumene, O2 sunlight, and then hydrolysis we get phenol, and what is the side product? And acetone. And what is the use of side product acetone? That is used as a nail polish remover.